so one of the free pairs of gloves I got from mine and my brother's granddad while I was helping him clear out a bunch of stuff will fit right there, no problem. Then where will the other pair fit? Will the other pair fit there? No, it will not because it'll slide. Or will it fit there? No, it'll hit, so it'll slide. Not gonna work there. Well, let's find another spot to put them. Not there because that door is already full. Will it fit here? Let's see. Without hitting. Yes, it will fit there. Okay, so I can fit stuff up here still at the top. Jam-packed here, pretty much. I can fit a little extra stuff in there. I can fit more stuff in here still. And this area is all pretty much jam-packed. I can fit a little something in here. I can fit probably a little something extra in here as well. I can probably fit a little extra in here because I have a little bit extra room in here as well. Then I think I can fit a little extra in here possibly if I'm lucky enough. If I move some shit around. I can fit a little extra in here. And then the one fully empty drawer that I have as well. So then I hope you guys understand, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, but I should make YouTube shorts. And keep it on the community tab till YouTube makes videos before you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.